Now, it's no more a secret that you can make money on YouTube just by re-uploading other people's videos. If you doubt what I'm saying, take a look at the number of videos on the YouTube search showing you how to do that. The question now is, with YouTube's recent adjustment in their system, is it still possible to make money by re-uploading other people's videos? That means with the new features and updates like the latest reuse content guidelines and all the copyright checks, is it still possible to re-upload other people's videos and get the videos monetized on YouTube? We are going to be answering all that in this video. Hi there, I'm Winston from TubeMechanicsNotes.com, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube by re-uploading videos. We'll start off by looking at examples of other YouTube creators already making money on YouTube with this same strategy. Then we'll look at the steps to set it up using Creative Commons videos from scratch. And if you keep watching till the end, I'll also be sharing with you some tips that will help you easily add value and transform your videos, making the videos unique so that they'll easily get monetized on YouTube. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in YouTube tips that will help you start, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, Creative Commons license give every YouTube creator the permission to use someone else's video on YouTube, and that is possible because YouTube allows creators on their platform to mark their video with a Creative Commons license. So, if you have marked your video with a Creative Commons license, you are basically giving others the right to use your video however they want. As a matter of fact, many YouTube creators have been using Creative Commons videos as B-roll clips within their videos, and some just boldly use it to create a cash cow channel. So yes, it's true you can make money on YouTube without worrying about creating videos from scratch, but it's not particularly easy now with the latest YouTube updates. So in the past, for example, you could simply download Creative Commons videos on YouTube, edit it a little, re-upload it on YouTube, and start making money from ads displayed on the video. But with the recent YouTube updates, a little video editing of Creative Commons videos will not cut it when it comes to monetizing the videos. Nowadays, YouTube wants creators who use other people's videos to add value to the video before re-uploading them on YouTube. Here is what YouTube themselves had to say on the question and answer page concerning reusing someone else's content, and I quote, "Even if you have permission," that means permission for the content that you want to use, "even if you have permission, you still need to add your own unique creative value to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program." The YouTube Partner Program is the program that monetizes videos on YouTube. Now, before I show you how to start editing your videos and adding real values to the videos so it will be accepted for monetization, let's first take a look at some examples of channels that are already uploading other people's videos and are making money with it on YouTube. Take the Famous Entertainment channel for example. This is a channel that uploads videos about celebrities. If you click through to watch any of the videos on this channel, you easily see that most of the videos are re-uploaded videos from the YouTube Creative Commons. Now, if you plug this channel into Social Blade is one of the best tools to see an approximation of how much channels are making on YouTube. So if you search for Famous Entertainment channel on Social Blade, you'll see that it's making an estimated monthly earning of between 500 to 8,000 euros a month and between 6,000 to 99,000 a year. And basically, all the creator of this channel does is search for Creative Commons videos on YouTube, add images to the videos and some voiceover, and re-upload the videos to YouTube. At least that's how it sounds in theory. Now make sure to hit the like button below this video and keep watching to find out the step-by-step process and tips you will need to apply in order to keep your videos safe for monetization. So to be able to start making money re-uploading Creative Commons videos on YouTube, you first have to decide on the niche you want to base your channel on. You need to find a small niche that you'll be posting videos about. YouTube has videos for everyone, so you have to choose a niche and build a community around it. Now, there are a lot of niches that you can choose, but here are a few suggestions. Most often, the entertainment and the wealth niches do well with this type of channels. The Mr. Luxury channel, for example, is a wealth niche channel doing the same thing. So how do you go about finding Creative Commons videos on YouTube to use? Now, finding Creative Commons videos on YouTube is really easy. So after choosing your niche, go to YouTube and make a search for relevant terms and topics in your niche that you want to post videos about. Then you want to click on this filter feature here on the top left, and from the drop down options you want to look for where it says Creative Commons. When you click on the Creative Commons option here, YouTube will display all the videos that are related to your search and are marked with a YouTube Creative Commons license. So all you have to do now is go through the displayed videos and select a couple of videos with good quality and download them. Now, it's important to note here that not all videos marked as Creative Commons videos are actually free to use. You see, there are some YouTube creators who have started misusing the Creative Commons platform on YouTube simply by re-uploading other people's videos which were originally posted as standard YouTube videos, and when they re-upload these videos, they mark them as Creative Commons videos. So if you just download videos from YouTube thinking they are Creative Commons videos and re-upload them without editing them, you will receive a copyright claim from YouTube, and the video of course will not be monetized. Now, here are a couple of tips that will help make editing your downloaded Creative Commons videos and adding value to it very easy. First, you will need to download a couple of videos, say 5 to 10 Creative Commons videos that relates to the video topic you want to post on your channel. The reason for downloading more than one video is that you can use portions of each videos, which will help make the video you are creating fall under fair use. Fair use on YouTube allows you as a creator to use portions of other people's videos even without their permission. So using say 5 to 10 seconds long portions of the downloaded videos will help keep your video safe from any copyright claims. So if we go back to the famous entertainment channel and play one of the videos, you'll see that the creator is using many different short Creative Commons video clips stitched together. The second tip is that the type of video you want to create will also make things really easy when editing your Creative Commons videos. So re-uploading other people's videos really work well with the list, fact-based and compilation types of videos. List videos are this type of videos like the top 10 actors who won Oscar for the wrong roles or the top 10 luxurious cars of 2021. These types of videos are very easy to make because you can easily research the content from Google and add it to your Creative Commons video clips as voiceover with some images, and your video is good to go. Fact-based types of videos are also similar to list videos when it comes to researching the content from Google, and that's what the famous entertainment channel is doing, fact-based types of videos. Now, because YouTube is very strict recently on reuse content on their platform, you are required to add value to any Creative Commons video clip you are using. And the best and recommended way of adding value to any video and making the video unique is by adding a voiceover. So, since many people do download and use the Creative Commons videos on YouTube, sometimes the videos tend to look similar, which is why adding your own unique voice is one of the best and easy ways of making your videos unique. Again, if you look at all the channels re-uploading other people's videos and are monetized, you see that they all have a voiceover in their videos. So as you can see, it's because of editing, stitching videos together and adding a voiceover that causes most creators to have a copyright claim on their videos when using a Creative Commons video on YouTube. Now, if you don't have the time or the skills to re-edit your video so that it falls under YouTube guidelines, you can either pay someone on Fiverr to do the job for you for as little as $5, or simply get used to the Swarm tool. Now, this is a tool that will help you facilitate the whole process of finding and downloading a Creative Commons video in your channel niche. The tool comes with trimming features and recording features to record your voiceovers and make your videos unique and ready for monetization. Just check out this short video clip on how the Swarm tool works.
Hi, welcome to the demo video of Swarm. This is the software that allows you to create highly trending and viral YouTube videos without having to show your face on camera or creating any video, or rather without having any knowledge of video creation. So let me show you how this software works. Right now I'm in the dashboard of the Swarm, and here we have one option called Create Campaign. So click on Create Campaign, your campaign name. So let's put cute dog videos. Now you can search for the keywords. So search for cute dog videos, and then software pull entire data and analysis of particular keywords in this niche. So you can see it shows you keyword, traffic source, difficulty rank, how many search results for the particular keyword, and entire analysis. Then you can choose on the basis of difficulty rank which keyword you would like to target. So let's go ahead with this one. So here green means it's very easy for you to rank the video. So let's go ahead and target this keyword, cute dog videos funny. Click here on search videos, and now it will show you videos available on YouTube that are ranked for the particular keywords. Now let's say if you want to use this video, so click here on select video for compilation. Then here is one that you want to add, and this is the third one. Once that is done, you can click here on create data. Meanwhile, you will also be able to export entire video data analysis, like how many views this video has got, how many likes, what are the dislikes, comments, everything you can export, and you can use this data while uploading your video on YouTube. So we'll see that later, but just go ahead and create video for now. So here are these three videos that we have already selected. Now we can trim the video as per our requirement. So let's go ahead and trim this video. So from here to say here, I want to trim this video, so I will click on trim video. Now software will go and trim the video. Now that is done, let's go ahead and trim the second video. Now let's edit this second video. So let's edit it from here to here and click on trim. So here you have second video, and now let's go ahead and edit the third one as well. So I will go edit it from here to here. Alright, so we have edited all three videos. Now let's go ahead and create a video. So software will go and compile all these three trimmed part of different videos and create a complete video. It takes some time. Once that is done, you will get notification in your email, or you can go and check out your video status in dashboard here. So now it's working on it. Once that is done, it will show you. So now you can see the video is ready. Now we have to add intro and outro. So let's create intro and outro here. So if you want to add intro and outro, you can do it from here, or else you can skip this step. So let's add intro. Awesome cute dog video. Let's change the background color. Let's change the font size. Font color. You can also change the font family and everything basically that you want. You can do here with the background color, font size. Now let's create outro similarly. Let's say subscribe to my channel. Again, let's change. You can change the background color if you want from here. Change the font color, and you are done. So you are done with the second step. You can click on generate video. Once that is done, again system will let you know in the dashboard. So you can see here the video is ready. You now can add subtitle and audio. So for audio, you can choose our preloaded open source audio files. You can select it from here, okay, or maybe this one. So let's add this one. Now that is done. If you want to record your voiceover, you can do it from here as well, and you can add subtitles. So say here you want to add subtitle till 10 seconds. Here again, if you want to add it up to 30 seconds, you can do that. And similarly, you can keep on adding it till your video ends. Now, once that is done, you just have to click on generate video and your video is done. So in 3 simple steps, you have created a video using others' existing videos. You can now import your tags, you can import other data like description and create your YouTube video, and you are ready to upload your video once the compilation of this entire video is done. So now system is working in the background and it's compiling the videos and adding subtitles and adding background music and everything. Once that is done, you will get notification in your dashboard or in your email, and you are ready to upload your video on YouTube. So I just want to show you the existing video demonstration. This is the video. This is how video looks like. I have created one for cute dog keyword. Now when your video is ready, you can go here and upload on YouTube or Vimeo, and when you are uploading it on YouTube, system will prompt you with the most relevant keywords and description. You can upload your thumbnail from here as well. So it's a complete system, right from doing research for highly trending videos on YouTube. It creates videos and it also adds relevant tags and relevant description, and you can upload the video right from the system on YouTube. So it's a complete system in itself. That is how Swarm works. Thank you.
Now I hope this video did provide the necessary steps on how to start making money re-uploading Creative Commons videos. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.